You have a scarf material to tie, but looking for a perfect style. What if I share this with you? Maybe you're going to fall in love with it. Place the scarf material the way I displayed. Take the two angles at the back and give it a beautiful knot. We are going to knot it like twice to get it well secured. Once you have secured it, come to the front. Here all other steps are going to be achieved and we're going to have a final look. Now I'm done and I'm turning to the front. So I'm going to grab this in fold of 4 sides like this, then place it like this. Take the excess to the back in form of this shape and roll the excess round my braids just like that. Secure the excess somehow, come to the front, adjust all adjustables. That is very important. You see this thing that I have at the front is giving me that vibe, so I can add a brooch if I want. If I no want, I no go hard. So this is the final hard look and this is a brooch and I'm done. Do you like what you see? Let me know in comments, give it thumbs up and I'll see you soon.